Rais wetu amesema pongezi on the board of governors and the management and the tremendous growth of this great institution, and he has wished you well. Mimi niseme ya kwamba hao maneno ya TVET is a way to go for the technological development of our country. Imparting technical skills to our young people is the right intervention towards our technological development. These young men and women who have graduated today will be very, very useful in our agenda of affordable housing. You are aware, among the 5 pillars of the Kenya Kwanza plan under President William Ruto is affordable housing. There is a debate going on when we are asking people to contribute some little money towards the House Development Fund. The affordable housing program has 2 phases. The first phase is to put up 200,000 units every year to bridge the housing gap, especially in our urban centers, so that Kenyans can live in dignity and leave the slums. But in this matter, affordable housing, the elephant in the room, the real thing is not the houses per se. It is the job opportunities that the housing program will create for our young people, especially the graduates from our TVET institutions. At an average of 8 artisans per unit, if we do 200,000 units every year, we'll be able to create about